So these are all the boxes I pulled from the attic. These are not everything, but hey. So this is my door to my room. My wreath is from my college dorm. This little Santa is one that I got from my mom. And then when you open it, I'm gonna give you a quick overview. Yes, I have 2 Christmas trees. I'm gonna start out here. I have my Yankee candles, singing carols, candle burning. I have a little gingerbread man and 2 candy canes. My rituals calendar. It's way too early to start, but hey, it has lights, so I wanted to have it up here. Some other decorations. This is my big tree. It's kind of old school decorated, I guess, but I do love it very muchly even word. I love this Santa that I got this year. These are old baubles. I even have a hair clip in there, this one. The car, yeah, I just love all of the decorations in here this year. Yeah. And then we have my plant stands, both decorated as well. Let's go a little closer. I have a Body Shop box over there, a couple of years old, and then I have this mouse that is a couple of years old, and the globe as well. These super cute things. And then we have my little makeup desk with all the plant pots are from Colombian Boho, friend of mine. Very nice pots. Small decorations over here. Just looking to not be in the light because the light is in the middle. Then I made this wreath thingy to have with my plants. These are my other decorations. I just love this quote. I don't even know if it's a real quote or not, but I loved it, so here it is. And we have this beautiful tray. It's full of real and fake Disney ornaments. Yeah, I just love all of them. The ones that are not from Disney are from Primark, basically. Then we have this cute Pooh Bear from last year in Disneyland. And then I have these tree, where is the other one? Anyway, tree bubbles on there. And oh, there's a third one. And the snowman. And then we have my bed. The lights are kind of broken, but I just put them on for you guys, so normally they're not on. And I have the sign, meet me under the mistletoe. Tree baubles over here. Then on this side we have this reindeer sign. The lamp is actually an IKEA lamp, or lamp holder, I guess. And the lamp itself is in a Christmas tree form as well. And then we have my precious, can't remember the name of this one. Oh, Michelle, my turtle from Aruba. 2 of my friends have one as well, Voldetort. And the third one was Tortilla, I think. Then I wrapped my plant stand and put eucalyptus on there. Yeah, to have it a little more festive. My Minnie and Mickey blanket, my Pooh with his Santa head. And then we have my last mini tree and sign. So yeah. And then over here I have these 2 little midnight snack, I guess. These lights are here as well. 1 more plant and 1 more tree. Then I put this poster on here on the Harry sign. And then lastly, I just want to really quickly show you my mini bathroom. But I have 2 signs up there. My other ears are normally over there. And yeah. That's basically it. So this was all new for me. I've never shown my room or anything on this platform before. it's kind of crazy these times, so I can't go out to concerts and film more concerts for you guys because there are none. And if there were, I just wanted to stay safe as well. Yeah, if this is some content that you like, just let me know and maybe I'll undecorate with you guys. And yeah, I'll give you an overview in the dark as well. Just hopping on here to let you know the reason that I've not talked about the places, or most places, that my stuff is from. It's because it's all, or 99% of it is old, at least from last year or something like that. And also because the stores are in Belgium. Nobody is in Belgium. And because I don't want to encourage you to go out and go shopping during this pandemic, because it's still a pandemic. You need to stay safe, stay inside as much as possible, limit your contacts to people, and yeah, I hope everyone is staying safe, and hopefully we can have a Christmas together with family and friends. So keeping my fingers crossed for that. Oh, and thanks for watching. Let me know what you want to see on this channel during the pandemic, or just in general. If you like it, let me know. If you don't, also let me know, but please do it in a respectful manner. Thank you. And yeah, have a great day.